Hello children, we have an interesting experiment here. I have oranges with me. Let me remove the skin of the orange. Yeah. It's a juicy one. I have taken the skin of it. And let's just find out as to what reaction will this skin have when I squeeze it on a balloon. I have a filled in balloon. You can do the experiment at home. A very simple one, very interesting one. See, I squeeze it on that. Just have a look. Had you ever thought that on squeezing a piece of orange on a filled in balloon, there will be a blast? Very difficult to imagine. When we squeeze it, the citric acid pours out. There is citric acid in the pulp inside, there is citric acid in the skin too. I take this, I squeeze it. The citric acid gets spurted. I'll take another balloon, see. And when it falls on the balloon, the rubber there, which has lots of molecules in it, it's made up of molecules as any other object is. The molecules, they get dissolved in the juice that has got spurted, the citric acid that has got spurted, and the rubber of the balloon becomes loose, it gets burst. Let's see again. The blasts are quite conspicuous. Once again, last time, then you do at home. Yeah, we had 3 trials. In all the 3 trials, you saw how quick it was. So, the skin that you remove, you can use it for this experiment. A beautiful experiment, doesn't cost anything, and members of the house will definitely relish this experiment. Thank you.